this is my secret Roblox trading account, and I took it from this to this, and I'm gonna show you how. And we are not accepting donations because that is just not fair. The first trade we did was a lowball into legit. Legit typically gets around a 500 overpay, so getting like a 400 lowball on legit in a 3v1 is insane. Once you get a free lowball for a valued item, what you can do is that you can actually flip it. So I could probably get around 5,000 for legit, so I can be making around 800 after this trade, which is just very good.
Yo, is this thing gonna load?
Now this trade, it was done about 3 days ago, so Oscar has kind of dropped a little bit. I'm pretty sure I did trade it off though, but at the time of the recording, this was a 500 OP for Pinstripe Fedora. The only reason why I only accepted a 500 overpay is because perfectly legit can get around 400 to 500, so I thought 500 plus 500 equals 1,000, and Pinstripe has been sitting at 7k for so long, and I just can't keep it, so I decided, well, I'm gonna downgrade it into some high demand item. Losing Oscar looks disgusting, but it gets a lot of sales. The next trade was a fair downgrade for the red baseball cap. So we do get a lot of Robux. That's okay because I'm gonna show you exactly what I did with it. Now, red baseball cap can get around a 100 to 200 overpay, so 184 is pretty fair for a 1v4. Just remember, if you're downgrading and you're getting a ton of items, then you need more. But if you're only downgrading into like 2 items, then don't be so greedy. In this case, I'm getting 4 items, so I need as much as I can get. That only makes it fair. So I think that with all that Robux I saved up, I actually bought the NARS holographic backpack. It's probably a lot lower now. Well, no, it is 478, so it's still okay, but it honestly wasn't the best deal. I only could work with what I could buy, so this was a pretty fair buy, and it's also good just not to let my Robux go to waste. Now this looks complicated, but this was a really good trade. This is basically a free upgrade into the Irish Guard. This is pretty free since we didn't have to overpay at all, and we're actually gaining value. Better yet is that we're giving 4 items for only 2. Now the Irish Guard is not the biggest item, so we could probably get max like 100 to 150 on it, but that is very good. When you're trading, you want to think, what can I do with the items that I'm actually getting? And I was thinking, well, if I get this, I can definitely make profit off this, so I'm going to accept it. It's a really good trade. The next trade was an insane lowball on Shaggy. I'm not sure if Honkabini was projected or not, but we got almost an 800 OP for the Shaggy, and we got 350 Robux, which I'll use later in the video. Now Shaggy has been on the rise. If you actually look at its item page, you can see that ever since I'd say about almost half a month ago, it's just been rising from 1,100 to 1,500, which is pretty insane in my opinion. But either way, I do still believe that this trade is good because it actually gives us Robux, so we're pretty much in the clear. I'm pretty sure since Shaggy has risen so much, his trade has just been gaining. Now this was a really fair trade, mostly because I'm not going to get all this Robux after tax, and also because we actually got 1,000 Robux. You can fluke a lot of trades on Roblox, and fluking is when you give a lot of Robux, so people give you good trades for the Robux. And getting 1,000 Robux in a 1v1 and I'm gaining 500 is insane. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did with that Robux. Now, I actually went on the Rolimons deals page and I saw this was on deal for around 20%. I'm gonna check what its value is now, but why don't you look at that? It's worth 1,700. So this was actually still a good deal. It is selling under, but that's only gonna drop it by like 20 wraps, so we're gonna be good. But yeah, we got a 20% deal. Rolimons deals are very good if you want to get good deals and you want to profit. Because if you spend all your Robux, then you won't really have any Robux to give in a trade, which is not the best thing. And it seems like Big Head is actually going to raise, so I am very excited to see that happen. Now, this is a very fair trade. We downgraded the perfectly legit. Only fear is that legit could drop in the future, but I think that we're going to be okay. We're downgrading it's 4 items. All these are not projected, and Jacqueline's guitar is a pretty big wrap item. It's 3,600. It's very close to legit's price of 4,500. I could probably downgrade Jacqueline's guitar for like a 500, 400 OP. This was a very fair trade. This could rise like Big Head, but I'm not really scared. Now, another insane trade was a equal upgrade into the perfectly legit. Now, I do believe this was actually a 300 lowball because oozing Oscar was worth so much more, but I am so glad that I traded this off yesterday because oozing Oscar has somehow dropped 300 in a matter of days. So I'm so happy I got it off, but this used to be a 300 lowball, but now it's actually a equal trade. I mean, I keep on winning. I don't know how I'm getting so lucky, but this is obviously a good trade because legit gets around 500. I only gave 24. Like you see from my chart, I went from 5,500 to almost 18,000. The goal for the next episode is to get rid of all these smalls because I have like 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Like these many smalls are just a little bit too much. My biggest item is selling 4,500. So just upgrade, keep Big Head. It's going to be on hold and it should raise ever since then. I might actually keep legit because I think legit is recovering. I do think it can hit 5,000 value. Yeah, if you're in a situation like this, you want to have around 10 items max in my opinion, just to keep everything organized. So just upgrade all these smalls so they don't, just turn out to be like a disaster. And once I'm done upgrading all these smalls, I'm going to downgrade my biggest item. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I am a pro Roblox trader. We don't talk about this though. We don't talk about that. Yes, guys, I am completing trades on my main account. I've been making a lot of good trades like this low ball into the 8-bit tabby cat, and also a good trade for filling Fedora with a gigantic wrap item that used to be valued actually, but it got devalued. But definitely still a good item, and just a whole lot more. If you guys want to see videos on this account, let me know. But for this video, that's gonna be episode 2 of my Nothing to Something. We will hit 100K one day. Please subscribe.